Welcome back to H.A.M. Today we're working on a 07 Chevy Silverado, if it is correct. Yeah, 07 GMC 900. And well, they came in for water leak into the cab. Now everything's stripped out of the interior, and we have the carpet drying over there, and the foam padding, insulation padding out here drying. But we're checking everything for leaks. We'd taken the cow apart previously yesterday and did not get video of that, but we hosed everything down and did not see any leaks coming from the front. I've got the AC tubing that goes across the center with my spiral fan upside down to actually route some air in here and get the foam padding dried out, because well, it is still soaking, you know what, wet. But I've got the rear seat out because another known problem on these is these rear cab vents, and I use my borescope so I can look down in between the bed and the cab there, and I could actually draw rotted rubber around the sill of the vent cap. So got everything out. I'm going to get these pushed out, and then unfortunately I have to wait for the cab vents to come in so I can reinstall them. But ideally I'm going to push it up from the bottom here, and I'll reach in here with my hand, pull it up and pull it into place. That all works out. But, you know, it is auto repair shop, and it might take a little bit longer than that. But for now, we've got the fan circulating here. Got the foam padding insulation put away here. And, oh, we got some ants in here. So we need to spray. Now, this has previously had water intrusion. And then went to a dealership where they replaced this airbag seat module. That is also, you know, under the driver's seat, and previously it said that he was driving on his way to work, the truck shut off while he was driving, and he could not get the truck to start back up. They went to a dealership, they fixed it. I think he said it was like $1,500, $2,000 if I remember correctly, for them to repair it. However, it appears they didn't actually fix the problem. But those little buggers back there are the actual problem, and I will insert the picture video so you can see, and then also once I have them out I will show you. Alright, so we've got the cab vents out, and as you can see here, this chunk of rubber seal was gone. It was just so brittle all around the outside. On this side, it's also up top. So we're going to get these swapped out, reinstalled right here in these little corners. See, I'm touching a bed. That's where that goes. Now, once we get these installed, we can secure the foam matting, reinstall the rear seat, pull the fans out once it is done drying up here under the foam, and then reinstall that matting there and the carpet over there along with the seats, and then close the doors and send this client on his way with his GMC. Now, what does this stand for? Good mechanic coming. In my opinion, you've got the best in H.A.M. Auto Repair. I'm Jamie. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.